Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Xiaomi Redmi K40 gaming aka Poco F3 GT mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray and then followed by the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, on the logic board frame, apply heat to soften the glue on the camera lens frame. And then, gently using a pry tool or tweezer, take out the camera lens with the frame. Next, peel the adhesive and disconnect the connector plug, and then take out the small shield. Next, take out the board frame by undoing 10 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, move to the bottom and take out the secondary board cover by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect 3 connector plugs and the antenna head from the charging port board, and then pull out the broken charging port board from the body. Next, place the new charging port board in the body, and then connect the antenna head and 3 connector plugs into the board. Next, place the speaker cover by adding 8 screws. Next, connect the battery plug and place the logic board frame by adding 10 screws. Next, connect the flasher plug and place the adhesive and the shield. Next, place the camera lens with the frame on the body by adding adhesive. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.